Separation of substances, Class 6th, Chapter 5, Third Part. Next method is sedimentation and decantation. Sedimentation and decantation. The process of separating insoluble solid components present in a liquid by allowing them to settle down at the bottom of the container. So this is called sedimentation. The solid component that settle down at the bottom of the container is called sediment, and the liquid above the sediment, it is called supernatant. Supernatant. Sediment and supernatant liquids are then separated by decantation. In this method, the supernatant is carefully poured into another beaker without disturbing the sediment, and the process of transferring the supernatant into another beaker without disturbing the sediment, this is called decantation. Sand can be separated from water by sedimentation and decantation. You can see figure 5.5. The mixture of sand and water, this is allowed to stand undisturbed for some time. Sand, being heavier, settle down at the bottom. Water is poured out into another container. In this way, the mud is separated from the water, and clear water we can get by decantation process. Children, you are seeing figure 5.5. Separation sand from water by sedimentation and decantation. In the A figure, sedimentation is done. Means sand water, this is allowed to place undisturbed. Sand collected at the bottom and clear water can be seen above. In decantation process, the clear water, this is carefully poured into another container. Filtration. The process of separating insoluble solid component present in a liquid by passing the mixture from a porous medium. Porous medium such as filter paper. Porous medium means a medium which contains some pores. So this is called filtration. Now during filtration, the insoluble solid particles present in the mixture get collected in the filtering device like filter paper, and the liquid passes through it. It is important that the size of the holes in the filtering device should be smaller than the size of the particles to be filtered. Filter paper used in the school laboratory. The school laboratory has very fine pores, fine holes in it. At home, filtration is used to separate tea leaves from the tea using a strainer. Seeds and pulp from orange juice can also be separated by filtration process. Let us do activity. Aim to separate a mixture of sand and water by filtration. For this activity, materials required: mixture of sand and water, glass funnel, beaker, a flask and a filter paper. Procedure: fold the filter paper as shown in the figure to make a filter paper cone. Now place the filter paper cone inside the glass funnel. Place the glass funnel into the flask. Now pour the mixture of sand and water into the glass funnel. Observation: water passes through the filter paper and gets collected in the flask. Sand particles don't pass through the filter paper and get collected in the filter paper cone. From this activity, we conclude sand and water can be separated by the filtration process.